know sometimes I'm slow to tell you.
Mga kapatid, iniharap ko sa inyo ang mga bagong mag-asawa ng ating sambayan ng Kristiyano, sina Francis at Grace. Palakpakan po natin sila.
Don't know by the way I hold you. My heart's been yours this whole time. Oh, I hope I
Francis,
show it.
hindi ko man alam paano to isisimulan. Pero, kagaya nga ng lagi ko sinasabi, ikaw yung hiniling ko kay Lord. Sabi ko nga kay Lord, pagod na ako. Bigyan na lang niya ako ng lalaking mamahalin ako, walang bisyo, pamilya lang ang top priority. Tada! Ikaw yung binigay niya.
I fall in love with you a little bit more, little bit.
Para sa pinakamamahal kong kupal. Ingatan mo, kita-kits na lang tayo sa altar. Baka maligaw ka ko, naku po, baka sa Lonte Sports ako pupunta. I love you always. Baba, baby cake sana punch ko tipay. Bishmang gupay.
With you a little bit more. Thought I knew every little thing about you. There's always more of you to learn.
Siyempre, nagpapasalamat ako sa parents ko. Wala kami dito. Kung wala sila sa mga payo, tsaka sa pagiging mabuting parents talaga. Kasi sa dami ko na nakasalamuhang tao, ay masasabi ko hindi lahat pinagkalooban ng mabuting parents. Katulad namin. Katulad nila.
Every time I think I've lost my way, I fall in love with you a little bit more, little bit more than before. Even on the days I'm not so sure, I fall in love with you a little bit more.
Grace, bukal ba sa iyong loob ang iyong pagparito upang makaisang dibdib si Francis na iyong pakamamahalin at paglilingkuran habang buhay?
Opo, Father.
Francis, bukal ba sa iyong loob ang iyong pagparito upang makaisang dibdib si Grace na iyong pakamamahalin at paglilingkuran habang buhay?
Opo, Father. And now, as I stand here with you, here is my vow. As we walk through our journey, from here on, as a husband and wife, I will always appreciate the different color this rainbow of love may brought us.
Fall in love with you a little bit more. Fall in love with you a little bit more.
Sa pagpapakasal, tanging pag-ibig lamang ang dapat na dahilan. Ang pag-ibig ay isang desisyon na kanilang ginagawa araw-araw.
I thought it'd feel different playing Wembley, 80,000 singing with me is what I've been chasing, 'cause this is the dream.
Si Francis as partner, lagi lang siya nandyan sa lahat ng plano ko, gusto ko sa buhay. Lagi niyang sinusuportahan.
In 7 years, di lang talagang magkasama kami. Lagi kami nakikita, full day, nagtatrabaho kami, in harmony naman kami. Although minsan nag-aaway, pero nasosolve namin, nalalagpasan namin ang bawat pagsubok.
Sa 7 years na yon, hindi lahat good. May madaming bad, pero lahat ng yon hindi makukumpleto yung pagmamahal ko dahil lahat yan minamahal ko siya ng buong buo.
Ain't it funny how the simplest things in life can make a man? Little moments that pass us by. Oh, but I remember the first kiss, the first night, the first song that made you cry, the first drink, red wine on a step in Brooklyn. I still feel the first fight. We both made it
May this
out.
gift represent our love. These earrings and necklace may lose its shine and brilliance through the time, yet it still increase in value. And with good amount of cleaning, you can easily bring its glamorous back.
The greatest thing that I have achieved is 4 little words down on one knee. So darling, are you joking? I just said please.
Gusto kong sabihin sa'yo na mahal kita. Kahit sa mga araw na napakahirap mong mahalin, hindi man lang tayo magkasundo araw-araw, ikaw lagi mo tatandaan, nandito lang ako, lagi para sa'yo.
The first kiss, the first night, the first song that made you cry, the first look in your eyes. When I said I love you, I can still feel the butterflies from when we stumbled home that night. I can't wait to make a million more first times. Ain't it funny how the simplest things in life can make a man? Little moments that pass us by. Oh, but I remember first kiss.
Daddy, salamat kasi mahal na mahal mo ko. At salamat sa inyo dalawa lagi ni Mami. Lagi nyo kaming sinusuportahan ni Francis. At salamat sa pagtanggap ng buong buo kay Francis. Mahal na mahal kita, Daddy.
Mahal na mahal din kita.
This is my vow to you, Grace Milan Mercado, now, Vitilio. My partner, my best friend, my greatest nemesis, my greatest love, my forever.
Mahirap man, nakakapagod, masaya ako. Kasi ikaw yung kasama ko sa bawat pagsubok na yun. Kaya nga nang tinatanong sa akin ng iba, ano ba nagustuhan ko? Sabi ko, madami. Lahat ng good at bad mo, mahal ko. Mahal kita. Palagi. Love you.